मेरा नाम चिन चिन चू बाबा चिन चिन चू. Hello, mister. How do you do? Hello, miss. How are you? You can be Miss Ankita, Miss Shrishti, Mr. Ravi, Mr. Sudhanshu. C, A, B, C, D, E. Any name. And what's name stands for? Name actually stands for nouns. What's name stand for? Names actually stands for nouns. And that's the reason. Nouns are the roots of knowing somebody, naming somebody, right? When you need to call somebody, when you need to introduce someone, you need to know the name. You need to call that someone by name, right? That someone may be the name of a person, name of the place, name of the thing, or name of the animal. Yes? So today, your friend, your mentor, your host, your dost is here to explain you more about nouns, right? We'll do it in episodes. So we begin with episode 1 today, where you will be learning about the nouns in a different manner. You'll be playing, you'll be answering, and then there will be a lot of fun with each other to learn nouns. So let's begin with, right? Let's begin with the game. With a game where you are going to play name, place, thing, animal. Name of a person. Name of a person, place, thing, animal. Okay? Person, place, thing, animal. Okay. So your first letter is S. You are going to write the name of a person, the name of a place, the name of an animal with letter S. Quickly think about it and write down. C. Do you also think the same? I have written the name of a person as Socrates. Okay? Then in the place column, I have written Singapore, and in the thing column, I have marked as soap, and for the animal, I have marked as snake, right? So all are starting with S. Socrates, Singapore, soap, and snake. Yes? Now, let's see another letter as A. Come on, think, find out the name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing, name of an animal with the letter A. You have only 5 seconds to 10 seconds with you to complete. Be quick. Be quick. Your time is going. Okay, time up. Now see, have you also thought the same? I have written here Amir Khan for person, Agra for place, aloe vera for thing, and ant for animal. Have you also written the same? Oh, you can be different. You can write here a different name. You can write Anand Sharma, right? You can write here a different place. You can write Agartala. You can write a different thing. You can write a different animal. Okay? That should start with A, as it is a game. Otherwise, it can be any name of a person. It can be any name of a place or a thing or an animal. Right? Now, when we talk about the name of a person, place, thing, animal, what are these actually in one word called as? They are called as naming words. What are they called as? They are naming words. That's the reason we define noun as the name of a person, place, thing or animal. Or simply we say that they can be naming words, right? Certain types, they are also known as nominalization. What actually nominalization stands for? This is changing, when we convert verb or adjectives to noun form, then they are nominalization. That process of converting noun or verb, that is actually nominalization. Okay, for example, we have verb. Just a minute. We have verb invent. Now, if you want to change this invent, we can write here invention, which is what? Noun form. Okay. So, this process of converting verb to noun is called nominalization. What is it called? Nominalization. And another thing you must know, like for example, let's take adjective. Adjective, kind. Kind is adjective. Now this needs to be changed to noun form, so it becomes kindness. Kindness, this is what? Noun form, right? So kindness is changed from kind, and this process of changing adjective to noun is nominalization. Okay? So noun is the name of a person, place, thing, animal. It is also termed as naming words, or when we convert some other forms of the word to noun form, they are known as nominalization. Right? Now, you must also know about the type of nouns. When we name, when we name person, place, thing, animal, they are actually categorized. They are categorized to your common nouns, proper nouns, or common names or proper names. Then if we discuss about our feelings, our ideas, then they become abstract noun. If we name a group of things as a whole, then it becomes a collective noun. If we specially name some matters, they become the material nouns. So that is actually altogether nouns. Like for example, if we talk about common, proper, abstract and collective. Right? Common, proper, abstract and collective. We have taken the word as girls. Now, girl is a common noun. It is common to all the feminine gender, right? Girls. Now, you can name any of the girl. I am taking here Geeta, making the symmetry of G. Right? Now, abstract noun. Abstract, any idea, any, your thought, any feeling. Okay, so that can be here. So I am writing here generosity, right? And collective, gaggle of geese. Now, for today, what's your work is to find out this type of symmetry. Okay, this type of symmetry with any of the word. You can take boy and then find out the symmetry, find out the proper name, find out the abstract and the collective, or you can also find out like boy, the name, any name of the boy you can write over here. Okay, you can write the name here, any abstract noun, any collective noun. It's not like you will be taking the same letter. This is what, just for a symmetry, just for developing our thinking, I did so. It's up to you whether you want it or you don't want it. But yes, you must know that common nouns means the name of any name of a person, place, thing, animal which are ordinary, common to all. and proper means something specific, something particular, right? And when we talk about abstract nouns, they are the feelings, they are the thoughts or your ideas, your emotions. That's the reason anger, pain, happiness all comes in abstract noun. And collective, just a group but considered as a whole in one, then it is. So you see, don't actually we get confused between collective noun and plurals. Plurals are more than one, but collective noun means you are naming a group as a whole. Okay, naming the group. Like for example, there are so many persons standing in a group. So many persons standing in a group. We call it a crowd. Crowd of people. People is plural, but crowd is collective. I hope it is clear. So we end our episode 1 here with a question, right? With a question that what do you think? What do you think this collective noun, this abstract noun, this proper noun and this common noun, they can be used for in English language? They are used as verb, they are used as adjective, or they can be used as cases. Okay, so you need to find out if they are used as cases, so what type of cases they can be used as. In our further episode number 2, we will start with cases. Till then, stay blessed.